Hi, my name is David Lizerbram. Being an experienced intellectual property attorney, I've gained some unique insights into the world of trademarks and how they can be successfully protected. In the next few minutes, I hope to give you the basics of what a trademark is and dispel many of the common myths involving trademark use and protection. Hopefully, you'll gain some useful information to help you better navigate the confusing world of intellectual property and protect your business and personal assets. There are four main types of intellectual property: trademarks, copyrights, patents, and trade secrets. A trademark is anything that identifies the source of goods and services. Trademarks can be words, logos, or anything else that identifies a brand. This video will discuss trademarks in more detail. Copyright protects an original work of art. For example, computer software, web graphics, books, movies, and songs. A patent is an invention. A trade secret is anything that gives your company a business advantage in which your company does not disclose to the outside world, such as a secret formula. A trademark identifies your company and nobody else as the source of goods and services. Any business that has a brand name or logo is impacted by trademark law, whether or not they've gone through the trademark registration process. Trademark law is designed to protect consumers. When you walk into a store and see a product with a recognizable brand, that trademark lets you know that the product comes from a certain source. Many different types of things can be trademarks: brand name, a logo, a domain name, even a color. For example, the color brown for a package delivery service. Once a trademark has been used in commerce, as long as the owner continues to use it, the legal rights can last forever. Some trademarks have been in continuous use for hundreds of years. It's important that a potential trademark is unique within its category of goods or services. Sometimes two different types of goods and services can have similar or even identical trademarks. For example, the brand name Dove applies to both soap and chocolate. There's no trademark problem here, because there's no confusion among consumers when they're shopping for these products. Nobody's going to eat a bar of soap just because it says Dove on the label. However, both of those companies are able to prevent competitors from using the Dove trademark on similar products. When you're developing a product name or logo, it's important to make sure that nobody else is already using a similar name or logo on that type of goods or services. A trademark attorney can help you clear your potential trademarks before these types of problems arise. In the United States, the owner of a trademark has the opportunity to register the mark with the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office. Owning a federal trademark registration provides several advantages, including creating a legal record of ownership and the date of filing, providing the opportunity to protect your rights in federal court, and access to substantial money damages against someone who infringes on your trademark. Failing to register your trademark with the Federal Trademark Office carries several risks, including potential loss of your trademark, reduced enterprise value, and genericide, which I will discuss shortly. Several world-famous logos were not protected by their creators. As a result, these images are in the public domain. Because their creators didn't take the time to register these trademarks, they were not able to profit from decades worth of merchandising opportunities. Genericide occurs when a brand name becomes, in the eyes of the public, a generic term for the underlying product. This fate was suffered by the companies behind such common products as aspirin, cellophane, the escalator, and many others. All of those words were once protected trademarks and now are generic terms. On the other hand, several well-known companies such as Xerox and Kleenex have been able to combat this process and retain their exclusive rights to their famous trademarks. As the internet, and particularly the popularity of search engines, allows both brand names and generic terms to spread more and more quickly, the issue of genericide will become more relevant to a wide variety of companies. Hopefully, over the last few minutes, you've been able to better understand trademarks and how they can affect your business. Working with an attorney on intellectual property issues can help you add value to your company, can provide guidance through the challenges of the trademark registration process, and can help you avoid legal issues at a reasonable cost.